Here I go again, tripping on my own thoughts, run it back in my head, tangled up in knots. I'm glad nobody sees the chaos in my mind. It's getting hard to breathe from the weight I hide inside. Tell me how to let go, how to let the world spin. Why I feel so out of control every time I give in. Am I fighting myself or just playing a role? I'm happy or I'm not, getting way too caught in my thoughts. Fuck it, ain't nothing worth this misery. Hey, yeah. I've been drowning in me, trying to be what I'm not. Maybe I just gotta be me. Falling back in my ways, thought I figured it out, but I'm lost in the same maze. What the hell was I thinking? Letting it get this deep, now I'm stuck with the feeling that I just can't shake free. Why I feel like I'm breaking every time that I've been. I'm happy or I'm not, getting way too caught in my thoughts. Fuck it, ain't nothing worth this misery. Maybe I just gotta be me. Maybe I don't need to fix it. Maybe I just need to breathe. Maybe all this overthinking why it hurts to just be me. I'm happy or I'm not. Guess I never learned what I want. God, I'm so scared I'll always feel this empty. I've been drowning in me until I can't even speak. So tell me, will it always hurt to be me?